Hello Puzzle Busters, I am your friend Bhargav and I have brought a special series for students preparing for GSET. In this series, we will solve GSET MCQs and help you with your preparation. First up, let's discuss receptor-mediated endocytosis. The question is 6. Receptor-mediated endocytosis involves A. Clathrin, B. SNARE, B. PNR, C. Aristin, D. Glycoprotein. The correct answer is A. Clathrin. Receptor-mediated endocytosis involves the protein clathrin, which coats the pits on the cytoplasmic side of the membrane and helps in the formation of vesicles that internalize receptors bound to their specific ligands. Next, we have a question: endoplasmic reticulum. Here's the question. 7. Which one of the following is not a function of rough endoplasmic reticulum? A. N-linked glycosylation of proteins. B. Folding of polypeptide chains. C. O-linked glycosylation of proteins. D. Specific proteolytic cleavage. The correct answer is C. O-linked glycosylation of proteins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, is involved in N-linked glycosylation of proteins, folding of polypeptide chains, and specific proteolytic cleavage. O-linked glycosylation of proteins primarily occurs in the Golgi apparatus. Moving on to the next question. The question is 8. A molecular biologist cloned a novel gene with 3 kilobits promoter region, 280 bp of 5 UTR and 170 bp of 3' UTR. It also consisted of 3 exons, 1.2 kilobits, 2 kilobits and 4 kilobits, and 2 introns, 1.2 kilobits, 2.5 kilobits. What would be the size of the mature mRNA it will produce? A. 14.35 kilobits. B. 7.65 kilobits. C. 11.35 kilobits. D. 7.2 kilobits. The correct answer is B. 7.65 kilobits. To determine the size of the mature mRNA, we need to account for the promoter region, the 5' UTR, the coding sequence, exons, and the 3' UTR, while excluding the introns, which are spliced out. Here are the components. Promoter region, 3 kilobits, not part of the mature mRNA, but included in the total gene size. 5' UTR, 280 bp. Exons, 1.2 kilobits plus 2 kilobits plus 4 kilobits equals 7.2 kilobits. 3' UTR, 170 bp. Adding these, 5' UTR, 280 bp, plus exons, 7.2 kilobits plus 3' UTR, 170 bp, equals 280 bp plus 7200 bp plus 170 bp equals 7650 bp equals 7.65 kilobits. So, the size of the mature mRNA is B. 7.65 kilobits. Now, the next question is 9. Choose the incorrect statement about signal recognition particle. It A. Targets nascent secretory polypeptides to the RER. B. Temporarily arrests translation. C. Contains both RNA and polypeptides. D. Contains a signal peptidase activity. The correct answer is D. Contains a signal peptidase activity. The signal recognition particle, SRP, does not contain signal peptidase activity. Instead, SRP is involved in targeting nascent secretory polypeptides to the rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER, temporarily arrests translation, and is composed of both RNA and proteins. Signal peptidase activity is carried out by a separate enzyme that cleaves signal peptides from the nascent polypeptides after they have been targeted to the RER. Finally, the last question is 10. Which chaperone follows two-stroke engine mechanism? A. Chaperonon. B. HSP-70. C. HSP-100. D. HSP-40. The correct answer is A. Chaperonon. Chaperonons, such as grows in bacteria or truck, CCT in eukaryotes, operate using a two-stroke engine mechanism. This mechanism involves two distinct conformational states, one for capturing and folding the substrate protein, and another for releasing the properly folded protein. Great job on tackling these challenging MCQs. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more biology content.